English to Gujarati health phrases,
મને ડોક્ટર જોઈએ છે.
and more. Welcome to the Not So Healthy adventure. You are about to learn Gujarati health phrases in the most dramatic way possible, through a tiny medical comedy. Relax, repeat out loud, and let the chaos help you remember. Our hero wakes up in a hotel room and immediately thinks, well, this is not my best morning. First the forehead feels hot. Then comes a cough. Then the stomach starts sending angry emails. So our hero practices the magic survival phrases in Gujarati. I need a doctor becomes,
મને ડોક્ટર જોઈએ છે.
I need a pharmacy becomes,
મને એક ફાર્મસી જોઈએ છે.
I have a fever becomes,
મને તાવ છે.
I have a cough becomes,
મને ઉધરસ છે.
and I have a stomachache becomes,
મને પેટમાં દુખે છે.
Congratulations, you already sound far more prepared than our hero, who is currently negotiating with a suspicious kettle. Your 5 lifesavers. Let's slow it down and make these phrases stick. Say each one after me like you mean it, but ideally before you eat 12 mystery snacks. Phrase 1. I need a doctor. In Gujarati.
મને ડોક્ટર જોઈએ છે.
Phrase 2. I need a pharmacy. In Gujarati.
મને એક ફાર્મસી જોઈએ છે.
Phrase 3. I have a fever. In Gujarati.
મને તાવ છે.
Phrase 4. I have a cough. In Gujarati.
મને ઉધરસ છે.
Phrase 5. I have a stomachache. In Gujarati.
મને પેટમાં દુખે છે.
A very unlucky breakfast. Now listen to the words inside a story. This is the part where your memory says, oh good, a disaster. I'll remember this forever. Our hero goes downstairs for breakfast and makes 3 bold choices: chili fritters, extra spicy pickle, and something labeled only, special. 5 minutes later, the hero places one hand on the stomach and whispers.
મને પેટમાં દુખે છે.
Then a dramatic cough appears, as if auditioning for a soap opera.
મને ઉધરસ છે.
The forehead gets warmer. The hero checks and says.
મને તાવ છે.
At this point, breakfast has clearly won the battle. So the hero stands up, finds the manager, and says.
મને એક ફાર્મસી જોઈએ છે.
When the manager looks extra worried, the hero upgrades the sentence to the boss level.
મને ડોક્ટર જોઈએ છે.
Moral of the story. If the food is called special, maybe ask special questions first. Mini dialogue at the clinic. You are ready for a simple conversation. Imagine yourself calm, confident, and only slightly betrayed by breakfast. Receptionist. Hello, what do you need? You.
મને ડોક્ટર જોઈએ છે.
Receptionist. What happened? You.
મને તાવ છે. મને ઉધરસ છે. મને પેટમાં દુખે છે.
Pharmacist. Are you looking for medicine? You.
મને એક ફાર્મસી જોઈએ છે.
Doctor. Tell me the problem. You.
મને તાવ છે.
And.
મને ઉધરસ છે.
Repeat like a brave parrot. Now it's your turn. Repeat after each English line, and yes, you may imagine a dramatic parrot in a tiny lab coat helping you. I need a doctor.
મને ડોક્ટર જોઈએ છે.
I need a pharmacy.
મને એક ફાર્મસી જોઈએ છે.
I have a fever.
મને તાવ છે.
I have a cough.
મને ઉધરસ છે.
I have a stomachache.
મને પેટમાં દુખે છે.
Quick quiz, no thermometer needed. Let's see what stayed in your brain. If you get one wrong, that's fine, your brain is still downloading. How do you say, I need a doctor?
મને ડોક્ટર જોઈએ છે.
How do you say, I need a pharmacy?
મને એક ફાર્મસી જોઈએ છે.
How do you say, I have a fever?
મને તાવ છે.
How do you say, I have a cough?
મને ઉધરસ છે.
How do you say, I have a stomachache?
મને પેટમાં દુખે છે.
Tiny culture and memory tips. Here are a few helpful tricks so the phrases stay with you longer than that questionable breakfast special. Notice how several phrases begin with
મને,
which helps you express how you feel or what you need. For symptoms, remember
મને તાવ છે. મને ઉધરસ છે.
and.
મને પેટમાં દુખે છે.
For getting help, remember
મને ડોક્ટર જોઈએ છે.
and.
મને એક ફાર્મસી જોઈએ છે.
If you can say these clearly, you are already much safer and much smarter than the hero who still thinks spicy pickles count as medical research. Friendly conclusion. You did great today. Seriously, you survived an imaginary health crisis and learned useful Gujarati at the same time. Today you practiced 5 essential phrases.
મને ડોક્ટર જોઈએ છે. મને એક ફાર્મસી જોઈએ છે. મને તાવ છે. મને ઉધરસ છે.
And.
મને પેટમાં દુખે છે.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and soon they will come naturally when you need them. Take care, keep learning, and may all your future breakfasts be far less educational.